Rich, creamy, cheesy, and packed with layers of meaty, flavorful goodness. This lasagna is next level. Let me show you how to build the most delicious one you'll ever make.
Good boy. Hello everyone, it's Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I made the very best lasagna. I'm sorry to bore you to death. I made the very best lasagna that you'll ever make. I love it, and I'll show you how to make it.
Brown pork ribs or shoulders so it gets caramelized. Remove. Brown spicy pork sausage. Remove and leave the drippings. Add onion, garlic, anchovy, salt, and pepper till softened. Add tomato paste and caramelize. Add tomatoes, water, salt, and pepper. Simmer 90 minutes. Shred pork chunks and put back into the sauce. Meanwhile, make cheese mixture with mozzarella, ricotta, Parmesan, pecorino cheese, cream, and a little more salt and pepper. Boil noodles only 4 minutes, then place on an olive-oiled sheet pan to prevent sticking. Off the heat, add basil. Oil the pan and spoon the sauce on the bottom. Start layering with noodles. It's a little bit like making a puzzle. Then add a thin layer of sauce. Dollop a quarter of the ricotta mixture, then repeat your layers, starting again with the noodles. Finally, top with mozzarella and Parmesan. Bake covered for 30 minutes, then uncover for 20 minutes. And enjoy.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help with the algorithms.